G'day all, back again. This is another engine that I received for free from China. If you've been following the scam from enginelovers.com, this is another one that slipped through their postal system after PayPal had refunded me. But it actually comes with this LED light bulb, and it's got alligator clips on the end, and they go on here. So I'll put the negative on already, or I'll put the negative on now. Dogs don't like me talking on the camera. I think there's someone here and they get overexcited, so I put some metho in. Very simple burner. That should be enough to be able to test it. Okay, light that up. About there. Give it a little while to heat up. Just move that around so I can turn this around. There we go. Stirling engine. I actually bought off eBay some glass syringes, and they had a rabbit face, and this is actually a glass. I'll just get the camera focused. This is actually a cut down glass syringe, and it's got that same rabbit face on it that came on the glass syringes, so you can see that they've repurposed something in the Chinese factory and reused one of these glass syringes. Okay, see if that's hot enough. Just running. I'll clip this, see if this light bulb's going to work. I'll clip this on, just trying to... It does like that bulb. Well, that little tiny drive band, which is nothing more than a rubber band, just a normal run-of-the-mill rubber band, is driving that generator enough to power that LED light. Well, there you have it. Another Chinese Stirling. This is probably one of the cheapest ones I've ever seen. I know it's the cheapest one that I've ever seen in person. It's like one of the cheapest ones I've seen to sell on eBay or Banggood or Amazon or wherever else they're sold. But I've got to say it works. It's definitely working. It's going quite good. Move that away. Still going without the flame. Just starting to slow down now. Put the flame back. Well, I've got no idea how long it'll last for, but I will say this, it did come with some spares. It came with a spare glass bit here, another one of these cut down syringes, some O-rings. So I don't know, if money's tight and you just want something cheap to play with, maybe this is something you might want to buy. But there you go. And it came with that LED light bulb. Okay, well, as always, thanks for watching. Bye now.